Papa, please help me on writing an essay on AI.
Come on, beta. Go to ChatGPT and ask for it. Simple.
But Papa, what about my own creativity?
Beta, people see your result, not creativity.
Okay, Papa, I'll do it.
Yeah, that's it. That's my daughter.
My God, Rashid. I think AI has replaced human beings and our creativity also. And AI has created one new school. And in that school, AI is the teacher. What do you think? You might say so, but we can change the scenario. But how? Great question. By changing our attitude towards AI. What do you mean by that? In fact, AI has come here to supplement our efforts. It has come here to save our time. But, it is taking our time. Yes, you're right. But we should change our thought a bit. We should give AI time to save our time. How confusing it is. Oh my God. I understand what you're trying to say. Let me clear. There was a time when a printing press was not there. Printed books were not there. People used to copy books by writing with their hands. And those handwritten books were sacred. People used to buy those books and people used to think that those were their treasures. But when Gutenberg discovered printing press and books were getting printed, people thought that those printed books were not good. They were the symbol of artificiality, and those books, those printed books, could hamper our heritage, our culture. That's why for a long period of time, people did not accept those books. But after that, you can see those books became the best part of our life. And with the help of those books, we got educated, we got knowledge, and our civilization got developed. So initially, books were not accepted. But after that, books became the part of our life. It means indispensable part of our life. Same here. AI is new and we are not accepting it. We think that AI has come to pollute us. But my friend, one day you will see that AI will be the best helping hand for us.
But what about AI then?
Yes, my friend, yes. We have to use AI because it's a great invention to simplify our tasks. But before using AI, what we have to do, we have to put our energy, our planning, our creativity and everything. Once everything is done, then we have to use or we have to take the help of AI to improve the total structure. This is how we can use AI. AI can be a great slave to us, but it cannot be our master.
Wasn't the discussion fruitful and beautiful?
Yes, it was. It was more beautiful because it was in English. And I can exactly relate to you. I can exactly understand how devastated you feel when you can't speak English fluently. If you want to speak fluently, and if you want to connect with the people who can speak fluently and share your knowledge with them, share the knowledge with people abroad, then there is a WhatsApp link in the description. Click onto it and I'll instantly come to know that you need English classes. I have my master classes. By clicking the link, get the information and join the master class so that you can become fluent in English and eradicate your frustration of not knowing how to speak in English.